Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Veg Wonders. Hope you people are doing good. Are you a person who is addicted to coffee and tea and have it so many times a day and planning to change your habit? Then this video will be of great use to you. I'm going to show you how to prepare a healthy energy drink rich in proteins, otherwise called as satuma ganji. Without any delay, we'll get into the video. All we need to prepare this healthy protein drink is just these four items. A glass of water. This is 200 ml water, and this is the homemade protein powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 1 glass of milk. Now I'll tell you how to prepare this. First we'll boil this glass of water. Then we'll be adding this. Oh my god, I missed to tell you how to prepare this protein powder, right? Okay. Till this water gets boiled, you people go and have a look how to prepare it. These are the items which we need for preparing the homemade healthy protein powder, otherwise called as satuma ganji. Just 6 major ingredients, that's all. Let me explain you in detail. So this is finger millet or ragi, otherwise called as kelvaragu in Tamil. Very healthy. You need to have this in your routine. This one of course is urad dal or ulitham parupu in Tamil. This is wheat, gehu, otherwise called as godumai in Tamil. And this is boiled rice, idli rice. If you don't have this, you can even use normal, but trust me, this boiled rice gives good taste to it. Also healthy. This one is pearl millet or bajra, otherwise called as kambu in Tamil. Complete, this is all are healthy food items here, and you need to take this every day instead of preparing any dish out of this. I guess this is good if you make a powder of this and drink it. That's really good. And this is fried gram dal or putane or pottukadala in Tamil. This one cashews. Cashews, just you can take some 7 to 10, that's more than enough. 3 or 4 elachi and again 7 to 10 badam, almonds, right? All this I have measured in the same cup, equal quantities, all are equal quantities, only these 3 will be very less. Now apart from these two, all these major items, I mean not even this, the major items, all these 4, boiled rice, wheat, bajra and ragi, all these 4 needs to be washed, dried and then used. I'll show you how to do it. I have checked it, they are completely clean. So I am directly washing it. Otherwise, if you feel they are not clean, you have to first clean it, then wash it, right? I'm using this kind of a net. So now we have to take a thin cotton cloth or muslin cloth and just spread it like this. all the things which you have washed. If you have any facility to sun dry it, then you can keep it outside. Otherwise you can just spread it on your table and leave it for some time. So now we'll leave it to get dried for some time. So this is completely dry now. See, hope you have noticed when it was wet it was sticking to my hands. Now it is. So it's dry and we'll start the next process now. So I've taken a dry kadai here and I'm going to roast everything. Next cashews. Next urad dal, directly we are going to dry roast it. Now this is over. See, now that it has changed the color. This is done. Next is bajra. So this is over. Next is boiled rice. That's all. Finally, fried gram or putani. So this is done now. Okay, now let's allow this to cool for some time, and after that I'll be grinding this. I'm not going to go for any flour mill. I'm just going to grind it in the mixer jar. But if you have any flour mill nearby, you can give it there, and also you can prepare it in large quantity, and it stays good for 3 to 6 months. So this is over. See this? You can just store this in an airtight container and it will stay fresh for a long time. Just to avoid lumps, we have to mix this. Mix water in this, make it a paste, and we'll be adding it in the boiling water. I've taken 2 scoops, that is 2 bigger spoons, or you can even take 1 tablespoonful. This keeps you completely full and you don't feel hunger or you don't feel tired while you're doing a heavy work. So before you do anything, any kind of heavy physical work or a long stretch of work, you can go for this drink. See, that's all. Now the water is boiling here. We can add this here. I've just reduced the flame. Now slowly increase the flame. Slowly increase the flame and keep stirring. You can feel it. It becomes thicker. You have to just leave it for 2 minutes. That's it. See here. So that's all. You should not overcook it, otherwise there are high chances of getting burnt. Now you have to switch it off. Allow it to cool. And after that, you can either add the glass of milk and sugar already which I have mentioned once it gets cooled. Otherwise, if you don't like to have milk and sugar, some people don't like to have sweet, then you can add salt and buttermilk to it. Now let it cool for some time. Now this is cool. Okay, here I am adding sugar. Actually I am adding brown sugar. You can even take normal white sugar. So this is what I use for coffee and tea at home. So I am adding this, and then a glass of milk. That's all. Healthy protein drink. So here's your healthy protein drink, homemade protein drink. Satuma ganji is ready. Just try it at your home and let me know it in the comment section. Thanks for all the subscribers for motivating and encouraging me. If you still didn't subscribe, please do subscribe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and do subscribe. Have this kind of energy drinks. Stay healthy, stay safe. Till we meet next time in a different video, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.